Imagine waking up at 6 a.m. and getting a message you are fired. Now imagine this happened to 30,000 people recently, and a major tech company, Oracle, recently laid off around 30,000 employees, which is nearly 18% of its workforce. And no, the company was not struggling at all. It made over 12 billion US dollar profit last year. So why fire so many people? Because of AI. The company acquired a healthcare firm for 28 billion US dollar to collect massive amounts of medical data. Now that the data is ready, they don't need as many people, and this data will now be used to train AI systems. To build AI, they need data centers, advanced chips, and billions of dollars. So instead of cutting other costs, they cut people because for them, employee is cost. This is not just about one company firing people, it's a pattern across big tech companies. When interest rates are quite low and money is cheap, big companies usually hire aggressively and even more than they actually need. Why? Not just for the purpose of growth, but to capture all available talent. And if big companies hire most skilled people, startups can't find talent in the market and competition reduces. So, for example, if top AI engineers are hired by 3 4 big companies only, new startups struggle to even begin. They helps big companies maintain monopoly power in the market. And when priorities changes like shift to AI, companies suddenly don't need that many people and costs need to be reduced. That's why layoff happens quite quickly. Employees become a variable cost, not a long-term asset for the company. And now AI makes this even faster. Less people needed, more automation, and faster decision making. So hiring cycles become hire big, replace with AI, and fire fast. So for employees, job stability reduces quite a lot. Mid-career professionals are most affected and constant need to upskill. So think of it like this: big companies collect talent like inventory only. Use it when needed and remove it when not needed. This is not just layoffs, it's a system where companies hire to dominate and fire to optimize.